Print the current working directory. List files and directories in the current directory. Change the current directory. Create a new directory. Remove an empty directory. Create an empty file. Remove files or directories. Copy files or directories. Move or rename files or directories. Display the contents of a file. Print text to the terminal or write to a file. Display the first few lines of a file. Display the last few lines of a file. Count lines, words, and characters in a file. Display the current logged-in user. Display the current date and time. Show how long the system has been running. Display system information. Report disk space usage. Show the size of directories or files. Change file permissions. Change file ownership. Search for files and directories. Search for text within files. Sort lines in a file. Remove duplicate lines from a file. Compare two files line by line. Show running processes. Display real-time system processes. Terminate a process using its PID. Show the command history. Create an alias for a command. Remove an alias. Connect to a remote server. Copy files securely between systems. Transfer data from or to a server. Download files from the web. Archive or extract files. Compress files using gzip. Decompress files. Compress files into a zip archive. Extract files from a zip archive. Check network connectivity. Show network connections. Display network interface configurations. Mount a file system. Unmount a file system. Display information about block devices. Clear the terminal screen. Exit the terminal session.